SoulTalk account. Want to create a SoulTalk account? In this step-by-step guide from Rapidguide channel, I will show you exactly how to get started. First, download and open the SoulTalk app on your device. Tap Sign Up or Create Account on the welcome screen. Choose whether you want to register with your email address, Google account, or Apple account, depending on the options available. Enter the required information, create a secure password if needed, and complete the verification process by entering the code sent to your email. After that, set up your profile by adding your name and any other requested details. Once everything is finished, your SoulTalk account is ready and you can start using all of its features right away.